Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the most popular web browsers in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So let's start from the default Samsung internal web browser. So let's open it and just give me a second to pass the setup. Okay, now we have to click on the tab icon, now click on the turn on secret mode and click on the start. Now we are in the Incognito Mode. The next on Firefox, just open the new tab and click on the Sorrow Mask. That's it. The next on Microsoft Edge, click on the three-line button and choose New in Private tab. Now the Opera. Sorry about that, I don't know why it's taking so much time, but anyway. Click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the red plus. And the Google Chrome, click on the tab icon, we have to click on the three dot icon or arrow icon and choose Incognito tab. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.